Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to migrate from Hostinger email to Grigora Mail. First, log into your Hostinger email account. If you are using Hostinger's new layout, you need to switch to the old platform first. Look for the Switch to Old Platform option and click it. Once you are on the old platform, you will see a Select option. You can choose to select all emails or manually select the specific emails you want to export. After selecting the emails, click on the three dots icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Download and choose the Mbox format. This will download your selected emails as an Mbox file to your computer. Now go to your Grigora dashboard and click on Emails. Click on Create New Address. Select your domain and enter your desired email prefix. Create a password and click Continue. You will see DNS records to add to your domain manager. Add and verify them. If already done, click Skip for now. Next, you can enable Forward a copy to another mail if you want incoming emails forwarded elsewhere. Click Continue. Enter your name for the email account. You can also choose whether to include a website link in your signature. Click Finish Setup. Now click on Open Inbox and sign in to your Grigora Mail account. Once logged in, click on Settings located in the top right corner of the top bar. Scroll down and click on Import Data. Click on Upload File and select the Mbox file you just downloaded from Hostinger. Click Next. You will see two options: Merge with existing folders or Import to new folder. Select the option that suits your preference and click Start Import. Wait for the import process to complete. Once finished, you will see an Import Successful message. Click Done. Return to your inbox to find all your migrated Hostinger emails now available in Grigora Mail. That's it! You have successfully migrated your emails from Hostinger to Grigora Mail. See you in the next tutorial.